Hey, Andy here, PastimeTrader.com. The purpose of this video is to show you how to install and use the Pastime Forex Lot Calculator. When you have downloaded the Lot Calculator, you'll be in a zip folder just like this. So when you unzip it, okay, just drag it out anywhere in your desktop. Alright. Open up your MetaTrader 4 platform. So I've opened up mine. Go to Open Data File, MQL4. Go to the scripts folder, okay, and find the calculator and just drag it inside. So it's inside the scripts folder. Now go back to your MetaTrader 4, right click at the script, refresh. There you go. It's over here. So how do you use the Pastime Forex calculator? Now, drag to the currency chart that you want to trade the currency. In this case, I'm using Aussie dollar as an example. One more time, I'll just click and drag it inside. And by default, it is 0.5% risk. Let's assume that your Aussie dollar trade has a 37 stop loss. Now, based on your account size, or based on my current account size of $6,531, I am required to trade 0.09 lots. So if I lose on this trade of 37 pips, it equates to 0.5% of my account. Alright, so that's it. That's how you install and use the Pastime Forex Lot Calculator. I'll see you in the next video.